Hi, this is Bianeko. My first C# console personal note number 5. It's going to be my last notes of the whole series. This is a sample of using constructors. A constructor is a special method of the class which gets automatically invoked whenever an instance of the class is created. Like methods, a constructor also contains the collection of instructions that are executed at the time of object creation, which is any word says new. So it's right up. Where is it? Oh, here you go. Right up there. So this is execution point 2. And creation as well. So let's see. This is a car, and the car class, that's whole entire car class, which is called by the parents class, which is a main. So the class name or whatever, the class name is a car, and the main car, that's this method, main method of the class car. And say class name, which variable parameters is come from here. So once it's called, blah blah blah, that's the changing the colors, and then show was a prints the names, and then the stuffs here. They change the color too. Yeah, change the color. I said that. So here is the parts creates an object of the car class. So this will call the constructor, and this is the forward. That's as the variable which includes the new instance. So you can use it as much as this instance have the attributes and properties and stuff. So the forward right there, change the color, whatever it tells. And I just added right there string, and right here, write down, print out the value of the model. So let's see, let's run it. Now it works here. So my next question is, excuse me. If just straight, I think it's take the console arguments can handle the forward instance by itself, I guess. So much easier if it's possible. Yes, it is. My Mustang's here. Oh, I wish. Well, I think that's all. Well, thanks. If someone's watched my YouTube video, I really appreciate it. And if I have some mistakes and wrong understanding statements or whatever, it feels so bad, and I apologize. And please leave some comments. What if you find something wrong so I can learn? So I'll be really appreciate that. Thank you so much. Okay, goodbye. Sayonara.